Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. In this video we are continuing the video word chart tutorial for the right angle weave. We are on row 10 and I am using my pattern Bell for this project. And here is our piece as of row 9. Now our string is coming out of the second side bead away from the end of our row. We'll add our first 3 beads, which are all sea color. And we'll let them drop down. And then when you add 3, you go through the bead that your string is exiting out of. And there we have added the first 3 beads of our row. We'll now go through the first bead we just added. And now we're ready to begin adding our row. And our string is coming out of the top bead of our current row. We'll add the first 2 beads, which is an A followed by a C. We'll let them drop down. And then we'll go through the side and top bead. And now go through the 2 beads we just added and the next bead on our previous row. Now our string is coming out of the side bead of our previous row. We'll add the next 2 beads, which is a B followed by a C. Let them drop down. And then we'll go through the top and side bead. And we'll go through the top bead that we just added. Now our string is coming out of the top of our current row. And the next 2 beads we're going to add is a C followed by a B. Let them drop down. And we'll go through the side and top bead. go through the 2 beads we just added plus the next side bead. And our string is coming out of the side of our previous row. Next 2 beads we want are both sea color. Let them drop down. And then we'll go through the top and side bead. Then we'll go through the first bead we just added. And now we're coming out of the top of the current row. We'll add our 2 beads, which are both A color. Let them drop down. Oh, I think I got a knot. Hold on. There we go. Now we want to go through the side and top bead. Then we go through the 2 we just added plus the next side bead. And our string is coming out of the previous row, and we are going to get ready for a decrease, but it begins the same way. We will add our 2 beads, which are both A color. Let them drop down. Then we'll go through the top and side bead. Oh, sorry. When you're getting ready for a decrease, you don't go through the side bead, only the top bead. And then for the decreasing, instead of going around the ones you just added, you're going to go down and up through the second side bead. So you want to go down to the previous set of beads, and then you go through the second side bead. And there you are, exiting the second side bead, and you're ready to begin the next row. Hope to see you there.